Feels so good like Mace does, but murder weren't the case cuz vitamin C on my taste buds. Vitality, I don't taste blood. So tell me if it tastes good. All the sugars know that diabetes ain't good, but I need something good for my taste buds. No sticks, no seeds, I just taste buds. Okay, every time I taste flesh, blood, sweat and tears, I just taste death. Fruit and veg, yes it tastes best. When we put it to the taste test, take a tangerine off a tree and it tastes fresh. Squeeze a lime inside my water and it tastes this. Last week, come on, put it to the taste test. When we put it to the taste test, when we put it to the taste test, what that seasoning meat is really tasteless. It ain't sweeter than the sweet potatoes. They even need to dress it up, we could eat it naked. I don't eat beneath the table, my teeth don't eat beneath the navel. I don't care, she's an angel. They even put my tongue in the hole inside the bag.